Hello children, we are back with chapter 2 Shapes and Angles, class 5th Mathematics. This is part 2, so let us continue from page number 17. Is it a closed shape with 6 sides? Yes. Is it the same as the one made by Rohini? No. Is there some way to say in what way these shapes are different? Now you have to tell why these shapes are different. Okay, these three shapes. Mohini tried again but got different shapes. Guess and make 2 more shapes Mohini could have made. Mohini is now tired of trying and asks Shaila what to do. If you ask for me angles, if you ask for the angles that the matchsticks make at the corners, you can do it. Oh, so let us look for the angles. Yes, there are some figures given over here. Before going ahead, let us see some terms. Line. This is line. L is a line. Line is denoted by small letters of English alphabet. Definition. It is a straight path with no end points. Line segment. This is the figure. It is a part of a line. AB is a line segment. You can see this is a line and L, and these are 2 points which is a part of this line. So AB is a line segment. Angle. This shape is angle. This line and this line, these 2 lines are intersecting or meeting each other at this point and forming an angle. The name of this angle is ABC, and similarly this line and this line meeting each other at point M and forming an angle LMN. The definition: when 2 lines intersect or meet each other, they form an angle. Angle ABC and PLM are angles. Here angle ABC and PMN are angles. You have to be very careful. This point where the lines are meeting, when calling the name of the angle, this point must be in the middle. Angle ABC. Similarly, the name of this angle is angle LMN. We also can say angle NML. Here we can also say the other name of this angle is angle CBA. But this point must be in the middle. Now we are going to start types of angles. The first is right angle. The shape of right angle is like this here, and angle measures exactly 90 degree or has L shape. You can see here right angle has L shape. Here L, and this is also upside down L. acute angle. The shape of acute angle is like this, and it measures between 0 degree to 90 degree. The definition: angle measures less than 90 degree or has inside bent L shape. This is just to learn. This is inside bend. You can see this is not exact L. It is bending inside. Next is obtuse angle. This is some figures of obtuse angles. It measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. These are, it has outside bent L shape. This is not L, it is bending outside. Next is straight angle. These are the figures of straight angles. It measures exactly 180 degree. The next is reflex angle. These are the figures of reflex angle. Reflex angle measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. I am showing you the still images so that you can note down. Let us see the textbook again. Here we are given some figures and we have to find the difference, or we have to identify the angles. Look at the angles marked in these shapes. Can you see the difference? See the three figures and there are some angles marked over here. She is saying, see how the matchsticks make a small angle, a big angle and a bigger angle. Wow! When the angle changes, the shape changes so much. This is angle tester. In your geometry box, you also have this divider with needles at the end of these two sides. With the help of this, we will see that what type of angles are there in the figure. Now let us check with the angle tester that which angles are formed in these figures. With this, you have to keep it and see if it is exact L shape, then it will be a right angle. If it is a bent L shape like this, then it will be a like this or like this, then it will be a acute angle. And if it is like this, bend it outside, then it will be a obtuse angle. So you have to make it and you have to try it and you have to identify which angles are there in the figures. With help of angle tester, find out what types of angles are these and name them. Similarly, try this page and the exercises given over here, try to solve them. Now we'll meet again with some more new exercises later on.